everybody. We're going to identify some trees today, and I'm very grateful for this resource. It's a very old book. It's called 50 Trees of Indiana, and on the inside, the very center, there's a really cool map. So I have uploaded this onto Canvas for you, so you have access to this map. And basically yesterday during our live lesson, we talked about alternate and opposite leaves on the branch. So let's take a look at this particular tree, and you can see the different leaves come up in an alternate way because they alternate on the branch. So as I look at this tree and I see that they're alternate, and I am going to then, instead of going down here where it's opposite and choosing from these trees, I'm going to go to the alternate. So now I need to decide if it's a simple or a compound leaf, and this is one leaf attached to the branch. So this is a simple leaf, so I will take my route up here. So then I need to look and see if there are some long leaf stems or short leaf stems. So I'm going to look at the stem. And so when I see this, it's pretty long. It's not attached right to the branch of the tree. So I'm going to say this is a long stem leaf. So then when I go to long stem leaves, I can say, are these flat leaf stems or round leaf stems? So when I look at these particular, it's sort of a roundish one, but we have some varied leaves here. So when you look at the varied leaves, it means that the leaves are different on the branch. So I need to back it up a little bit and come back over to the varied leaves, because I was looking and I see a leaf that looks like this. And then as I move down the branch, I have a different leaf that looks like this. It almost is like the sassafras. Okay, so we have on here, and I don't know if you can see this, we have a leaf that's sort of rounded. We have one that has one big lobe in here, and then we have one that has some deep lobing. So these are varied leaves. So the two choices I could have for that would be either a sassafras or a mulberry tree. So a sassafras and mulberry are pretty similar trees in the sense that they have varied leaves. But the difference between a sassafras and a mulberry is that the mulberry has toothed margins. That means it sort of has a serrated or jagged edge. So if you can see that this has little ridges on it, or it has a toothed jagged edge, this would be a mulberry. And this in fact is a white mulberry tree. Are we good?